Man, look. What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel.
Yo.
So we got my brother here. Gonna see if we can. He gonna drive the Vet.
Yeah, I just want to see what it's like. It's been a while.
He ain't drove a manual in a while. He may stall out.
Man, it's been probably a year since I drove a manual.
The Evo?
Yeah.
You want to get another one, or what you gonna? You want traction control on or off?
I want it off. Hold on, yeah.
You want it off?
I want it off. I'm ready.
No.
Before
you turn it off, I'm telling you.
All right, I'm gonna try with it on first.
No, you can turn it off.
I'm gonna try with it on first.
I'm telling you, just be careful. As soon as it get loose, you got money. You got a couple houses.
Yeah, we gonna see what happened here.
Yeah, man. Oh!
It's been a minute. It's been a minute.
No, hold on. Are they not coming?
So they just sitting there? I mean, I'm gonna be right back. I ain't planning on going too far.
Okay. Call it back. Yeah, man. Sun's hitting.
Right. I was about to pull it down. I wasn't sure if it was gonna fall off on me or something. I don't know.
Oh, it's very secure right now. When I first got it, I don't know, but right now you be all right now. It's actually, you know, it really.
I already feel better than last time I drove it.
Yeah, no, it's a lot of stuff that's you know, I was thinking about when I made a video and I was like,
Jeez.
Boy, come on.
Between me not driving one in so long and that cam.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but now I was, you know, so it'll be a year tomorrow that I've had this car.
Yeah.
So I was gonna make a video on, cause I've been talking lately like I'll get rid of it, but then I'm like, there ain't that much wrong with it.
I said, yeah. I mean, once you get the trans issue straightened out, you should be good.
I mean, everything else I've got it fixed. So other than that, shoot, I may
hold on to it for a little bit longer.
Yeah, and if I get something else, I don't plan on getting rid of this. I almost need it for the channel.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah. Like I got so many C5 people that watch the channel.
Yeah. Cause I be watching the comments. Yeah, they love you there.
All right, now traction control's off. Tires terrible. They got grip. Go ahead now.
I missed it.
How nervous were you that the traction control wasn't going? I mean,
you know what? Honestly, like I trust the Corvette. Like it's not like to me, it's not like it don't have the reputation of like a Mustang where it's like you lose control and you get in a tree or something.
That's a solid rear axle, man.
Yeah. You know, I'm gonna go down and then come back.
You good, man?
C6 Z06, I can see that. I can see that.
So I'll tell you this though, the C5s are better like at like autocross and stuff like that.
That's a smaller, lighter car. I can see that.
But you know what? I was talking to somebody. They were saying that the C5 Z06 is actually longer and wider. Really? And I was like, what? I didn't look it up yet, but I gotta look it up.
I would not expect that. Okay.
I wouldn't expect it either. But you know what it probably is the bolsters on the C6 is so like bigger, so much bigger. So it could be that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But he said when he parks next to him, it's, you know, it's a big difference.
Really?
Yep.
Man.
See, I want to learn how to drift this car.
And so that's why I would keep it.
So that's what, yeah.
Honestly.
Because it's been paid off. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna do nothing, no harm.
Right.
Except for space. You know, I gotta have space.
Like this would be a good drift car.
It's
small, it's lightweight, you got the power there.
Oh shoot! See, it almost got you.
I need something like that. I need something a little rowdy. You know?
You know what? But yeah. So that's another thing about the C5 is that it's like a raw car. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So
I love that.
Yeah, it's like, yo, you gotta know how to drive it.
You have to.
A lot of these newer cars, like they got so much technology.
It does everything for you.
Yeah, it makes it boring. I mean, it's like the GTR is a fun car. You know what I'm saying?
It's fun. It's fast.
It handles well, but it's like you in this car. It's like, yo, don't.
You gotta be on your A game.
Yeah, be ready for it. Yeah, man. Go ahead and get you a C5, dog. I'm telling you, man. They're cheap. You can do all kind of stuff to it. Reliable. They ain't as cheap as they used to be, but
yeah.
Is that a cop?
No. You gonna have to catch me. Yeah, man.
I can now show you how to drive manual, man. Things done changed a little bit.
It's been a while, man. It's been too long.
Yes, sir. Go ahead and get one, man. After you get in the house, cause now you got rent money now.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, pay the mortgage. Yeah, you can. I mean, I don't know what you got, you know, left over extra, but whatever it is, man.
And I just might. Cause again, like the BMW's fun. What's that?
You gotta think about taxes and everything too.
Oh
though,
yeah,
so.
yeah. Taxes on around here.
Yeah, I bet. There's a lot of people who are just out walking right now.
Right. And we drive through this neighborhood all the time. I never see this many people.
Not for real.
Yeah. And it's like the older neighborhood right next to it.
I'm telling you, man. Yeah, do it, dog.
I wouldn't mind it. I'm gonna be honest with you.
I need to get me a house like what y'all got, man. I've been thinking about that lately, man. I probably just need to start getting some property, but at the same time, I'm like, shoot. Let's see what happens with the YouTube
of course
thing.
It's great to have property. But again, you ain't married, you ain't got no kids, man. Have some fun.
And the debt. You know,
and the debt.
The only reason for me is the debt, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, if I could get a, if I get to a point where I can save up money and buy a house, then I would. I'll pay for it. If I could pay like either cash or close to cash.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And it may not be big, but like 100,000, you know,
oh yeah.
You know,
yeah.
it may not take long to get a $100,000 house. Oh, you could have made that U-turn.
No, I was going to, but then I saw him coming.
Man, this ain't no Evo, man. You ain't got your turning radius is a lot better than this. I'll tell you that. Let's see how you gonna get to 6.
I cannot remember.
I'm gonna take these glasses off. Nope.
Oh.
Yep. Yeah, man. That's I'm had to take you for a ride, man. I don't know if
we need to switch seats real quick.
Let's switch seats, man. Let me show you.
Let me see what you got.